Quantower versus NinjaTrader 8, which trading platform is better? Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you analyze markets and execute trades without unnecessary complexity. Both Quantower and NinjaTrader 8 offer powerful tools, but with different approaches. Quantower and NinjaTrader 8 are advanced trading platforms designed for active traders and investors. The core difference lies in Quantower's multi-broker flexibility versus NinjaTrader 8's deep ecosystem tailored primarily for futures and forex trading. Quantower is a multi-asset trading platform that supports stocks, futures, options, forex, and cryptocurrencies through integration with multiple brokers. It works by connecting to various market data providers and brokers via APIs, allowing traders to customize their workspace with advanced charting, order types, and algorithmic trading capabilities. Quantower's strengths include its modular interface, multi-broker connectivity, and extensive analytical tools that cater to professional traders who require flexibility across markets. However, its broad broker support can sometimes mean a steeper learning curve, especially for traders new to multi-asset platforms. Quantower is ideal for traders who want a unified platform to manage diverse portfolios and prefer to switch between brokers without changing software. NinjaTrader 8 is a specialized trading platform focused on futures, forex, and equities with an emphasis on advanced charting, automated trading, and order execution. It operates by offering a comprehensive suite of tools including customizable indicators, strategy development, and a marketplace for third-party add-ons. NinjaTrader 8's strengths lie in its robust backtesting engine, seamless order execution, and a large community of traders and developers. Its limitations include a primary focus on futures and forex, which may restrict traders interested in a wider range of asset classes. Additionally, full access requires a paid license or lease, which might be a barrier for beginners. NinjaTrader 8 suits traders who prioritize futures and forex markets and want a platform with strong automation and community support. Quantower offers versatility with multi-broker and multi-asset support, ideal for traders managing diverse portfolios or switching brokers frequently. Its modular design allows customization but may require more time to master. NinjaTrader 8 excels in futures and forex trading with powerful automation and a dedicated ecosystem, making it perfect for traders focused on these markets. However, it's less flexible for other asset classes and involves licensing costs. For example, a trader needing seamless futures execution and automated strategies might prefer NinjaTrader 8, while one managing stocks, crypto, and futures across brokers would benefit from Quantower's flexibility. The trade-off is between broad market access and specialized depth. Choose Quantower if you need a flexible multi-asset platform that connects to various brokers and supports diverse trading strategies across multiple markets. Opt for NinjaTrader 8 if your focus is on futures and forex trading with strong automation and community-driven tools. Both platforms are powerful, so select based on your trading style and market focus to maximize your efficiency and results.